Hello guys, here's Programming to Inspire, and today we're gonna start building TicTacToe in Java. First create a project, call it TicTacToe. Then create a class with the same name. Put it in the package com.programming to inspire dot TicTacToe. This class will have a main method. It will implement runnable and extend canvas. Create one more class, call it game. Put it in the .game package. This class will have a constructor, public game, and init method, public void init, public void update, and public void render. In the constructor called init method. Now this class will have public void start, public void stop, and public void update, public void render, and a constructor. Now let's create variables. Public static final int width is equal to 32 times 3, and height is equal to 32 times 3. Public static float scale is equal to 5f. Private game private JFrame frame private thread import all of this. Private boolean running is equal to false. Public static buffered image is equal to new buffered image width, height, and buffered image dot type int RGB. Public static int array of pixels is equal to data buffer int of image dot get raster dot get data buffer and get data. Now in the constructor we will set preferred size to new dimension of width and scale casted to integer, and height as well, height times scale casted to integer. And now frame is equal to new JFrame, and game is equal to new game. JFrame, and in the start method we will create a new thread and call the run method. So running is equal to true, and thread is equal to new thread this and loop thread and thread dot thread.start. This will call our run method. In the run method we will call update and render, and we will call thread.sleep for 30 milliseconds and surround it with try and catch. This is not a game that has to run 60 times a second, so we will just update and render it how many times it can, and we will have some sleep for our processor. So now in the stop method we will have thread.join to stop our thread, and in this run method we have to surround everything with while running is equal to true, and after while loop we should call stop method to join our thread. Now go to the main method. In the main method, TicTacToe, t is equal to new TicTacToe, t.frame.set resizable to false, t.frame.set title to TicTacToe, t.frame.add t.frame.pack, t.frame.set default close operation, jframe.exit on close, t.frame.set visible to true and true, t.frame.set location relative to set location relative to null, t.frame.set always on top to true, t.start. This will call this method and start our thread and game loop. Now in the update method we should call game.update update, and in the render method we have to create a buffer strategy bs is equal to get buffer strategy. If bs is equal to null, we should create a buffer strategy with 3 buffers and return. And now we should call game.render graphics 2D g is equal to casted to graphics 2D from bs.get draw graphics g.draw image 0 0 int width times scale, and the same with height times scale, and null for the observer. Now we have to we should call game dot render text and pass g for the parameter, g dot dispose, and bs dot show. Create this method. Now let's try if it works, and it does. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.